Hi, I'm Ian, CEO of the Sneeze Factory. What is Sneeze Factory? It's an epic place that manufactures pills, corruption pills. Every disease has a pill. Fever, malaria, gonorrhea, diarrhea, weight loss, and even contraceptives. Bitch. But the point is, if every disease, flu, has a pill, why is the biggest and the fastest spreading flu left out? The corruption flu. So now, if your traffic police asks you for $100, you can give him a complimentary pill and warn him, it's sweet. Here at the state-of-the-art Sneeze Factory, we hire banned and bankrupt politicians. The upside, we don't have to pay these corrupted idiots, unless they sneeze. That means they're asking for their wages. But so next time, if you hear a corrupted sneeze, go buy a pill, a corruption pill.